Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Thank you, Thomas. Tom's still doing his thing. Before we start, take a look at this. You see all those fruit? I'd say there's 50 ripe star fruit right there. Amazing. What am I going to do with all the star fruit? Okay, what we're doing is... Yeah, Tom, you already did that. We're having breakfast for lunch. My pan is not level. What we got is duck. This is half a duck heart. Alright, that's plenty hot enough. Here's some duck gizzard. It's mostly gizzard. There was only one heart. This tub was full of duck bits and pieces, and this is what's left. But check that out. Any idea? Got a few of them. Some are bigger than others. This stuff is marinated in the normal concoction, oyster sauce, salt and pepper, and garlic. Those are duck testicles. They're going to be Thomas testicles in a minute. Be quiet. Duck testicles. Something different, don't you think? There we go. Look at that, huh? It sounds delicious. It sounds good. I don't like this stuff cooked, overcooked, you know. When my wife cooks it, she likes it, well, overcooked in my opinion. I don't need it to brown, I just need it to be like a medium rare, maybe even rare. This stuff is chewy anyway, don't matter how you cook it. Testicles, not so chewy. Come on. Now I know this is going to be a bad deal for these eggs. Yeah, chicken eggs, wow. The wife sold all the duck eggs. I'm stuck eating chicken eggs. And I didn't bring a pepper. Looks good, huh? Wait till I try to flip the eggs. Look at the color of those yolks. Beautiful. There's one. Ta-da! Okay, time to eat. My fork is actually a spoon, but that's okay, I don't mind. Whew. That is good. Pickled cabbage, Thai pink tomato, fresh from the garden today. Look at that, huh? Couple of chicken eggs. One duck testicle. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Soft, you know? What do you think a testicle is going to be like? And it's good. I used to always give them to the fish. The last few times I decided to save them. Man, that's good. That is freaking good. Even a chicken egg. This is a duck heart. Or half of a heart. Lovely. Look at that for a mouthful. Beauty. Dinner and a show. Gizzard's always chewy. Especially cooked quick like this, you know. If you cook them slow, like in a slow cooker or something for a long time, not so bad, but quick like that, it's going to be chewy. But very good. Another one. How did my egg yolk turn out? Oh, overcooked the egg. Oh. I should be just happy that it didn't all stick to the pan like I expected. I like a nice runny yolk. That's why duck eggs and turkey eggs are so much better. They have a nice big creamy yolk. Mmm. It's not beer. I drink very little. I couldn't even tell you the last time I had a beer. Don't know. Been a while. Freaking delicious, I tell you what. I should have eggs for lunch more often. There's the other half of the heart. Nice. It's official, the rice harvest is done. For us, it's done. Or not for us, for the family. There's still lots of rice work to do, but it's all cut. We brought home 120 something bags yesterday to go in 2 different rice houses. 120 bags. Those fertilizer bags, 50 kilo fertilizer bags. That's a lot of rice, man. About 3 tons, I'd say. That's all sticky rice, which is mostly what they eat here. Very unfortunate, I overcooked my egg. Huh. It's still delicious. There's a nice pair. Look, it's from a young duck. Man, that's good. That chicken is still taking her dust bath. Anyone want some star fruit? I'll have to pick those today. Wow, there's a lot of them. Oh no, a fly! A couple days ago, the fly showed up. It was amazing. Never seen a fly for a long time. And then there was about 50 in the kitchen in one day. They just all hit at the same time. Really weird. It must be the season. Fly season. And I tell you what, that was freaking delicious. Alright guys, well that's it. That's my lunch. I tell you what, I'm glad I took the time to cook that. Just, you know, it's so different from just cooking it in the house to cooking it here. That wood smoke, the old cast iron pan, which still needs a little work. She ain't absolutely ready yet, but she's getting there. Just needs more use, I think. And I tell you, cooking anything over fire just adds that extra bit of flavor. It is the way to cook, that's for sure. Wood smoke and homegrown. Man, living like a rich people. Better than rich people. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. Look at that, huh? Don't make that hole too big, huh? She knows I'm watching her, she's not impressed. You should see when a turkey does this. That's a big hole.